Welcome to the Microsoft Word practical video tutorial series. In this video, we are going to discuss practical number 13. So in the practical number 13, initially we are going to discuss to insert graphics on the Word practical. Then thereafter inserting texts with these shapes. Then inserting table in the practical, then inserting shapes. So these things we are going to discuss. Initially I am going to insert a picture. So normally you can insert online picture. From the search you want to type just enter. It will take some times to search the items from the internet. So here I am getting the particular person images, just selecting once, then insert. It will take some time to download and insert. Once I double click on this picture, from the format tab I can get some picture borders. So here you can see several types of borders are there. So here the practicals, they were used this border. Then in I'm also using that particular border. Okay, so picture is placed at there. Then thereafter I want to have like this shape. Inside the shape I want to have the texts. So just clicking outside, insert shapes. I'm getting that particular shape here. Here you can get the shape. Then thereafter just select, and here if you want to increase the border, here you can increase. Then here just add text. I am applying some random texts, but you have to type the here given text. Then similar way, the another shape, insert shape rectangular. I am placing the rectangular here. Then format shape, increasing the width of the rectangular. Then dash type, you want to change the dash type. The similar way you want to add the text, add text. So but you have to type the given texts here. Then three circles, like this way you want to include. We'll see how we can insert shape, circle is available. Here you can draw the circle, then you can adjust the edges. Here just with the holding of control key. Even if you want, you can have different colors, or maybe fill color. Border also you can change. Okay, finally you want to insert a table. Just see here, 1 2 column, 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows. Insert table, 2 column, 6 rows. Here you want to insert the years 2004, 2005, 2006, and you can adjust the table like this way. Then another thing, the first row only separated as a column. Thereafter, they are not showing that line. Here, how you can do it? Just select these things, then go to home. Here, the left border, you want to remove it. Just remove the tick from there. So automatically the border of this table will remove. Then with this data, you can fill the table. Finally, you can save the practical as a practical number 13. With these guidelines, you can easily complete the practical number 13.